Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Muhammad Zakwan Irfan bin Muhammad Zamri and I am from networking student at UiTM Jasin Melaka, and now I'm going to show you how to do web testing on JSONPlaceholder website. I will explain you the steps by steps how to do the load testing on a website using JMeter. Okay, now we open the JMeter. Okay, this is our JMeter. So the first thing first, what we have to do is we need to add two different thread group, which is the first one is for normal thread group and the second one is for heavy thread group. Okay, since our test is to test whether the website can hold or handle the thread group on normal and heavy, so we need to put two different conditions, which is one normal amount of users and the second one is heavy amount of users. Okay, so for normal thread group we can add HTTP request. How to add HTTP request? Just right click, okay, and add sampler, click the HTTP request, and after that it will appear the HTTP request and we fill in the server name blank the link of our website, which is, for me, I use JSONPlaceholder.typecode.com, and then the path I set to host. Okay, we already set the HTTP request and then we add the constant timer, which is the constant timer. We choose the default time, which is 300 milliseconds, and then to monitor the results, okay, we need to add several listener. Okay, how to add listener? We just right click at the HTTP request, add, choose listener, and then here we can see a lot of listener we can choose. Okay, for me, I choose summary report, response, time graph, view results tree, aggregate graph, and the last one is view results in table. Okay, after we done with the normal thread group, okay, we repeat the same thing to heavy thread group. Okay, for the heavy amount of users. Okay, the difference between these two things is at the amount of users, which is, as you can see, okay, here for heavy thread group, the amount of users is 1000. Okay, the ramp up is same, which is 60 seconds, and the loop count of users request is 5 times, which is same as normal thread group. Okay, the only one difference between these two is the amount of users. Okay, for the heavy one is 1000 and for normal one is 200 only. Okay, so after we set all those things, okay, we can run this process. Okay, we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, I will just skip the running process. So now we proceed to the results. Okay, as you can see at the summary report, we can see the error is 0%, throughput is 16.2 seconds, and so on. Okay, so the response, we can see the response time graph. Okay, let me display them to you. Okay, now this is the response time graph. Okay, so this is the request status, which is all the status is successful, and then we can see the aggregate graph. Okay, the HTTP request take 276 milliseconds to respond, and then now we can see the heavy thread group. Okay, the summary report, the error is 0, throughput is 80 seconds, which is more than normal users. Okay, more than the normal thread. The heavy one is more than normal. So the throughput is more. Okay, so the view results in table, all the requests, the status is successful, and the response time graph. Okay, let me display them to you. Okay, and then aggregate graph is 273 milliseconds, and that's it. Okay, this is how you do the load testing on a website. That's all from me. Thank you.